San Juan 74, just advise subject's running. He's going to be hitting I-10 eastbound. He's right over the underpass on Yarbrough.
Somewhere, I got him.
10-4.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey, no. Don't jump. Hey, stay right there. Stay right there. Stay right there. I'm here. What's wrong? What's wrong?
Someone call 911.
Yeah, I'm here. Just go and sit down.
All right, boy.
Sit down.
Boy.
Sit down. Sit down.
Call 911, please.
Yeah.
Someone call 911, please. What's your badge number, sir? What's your badge number, sir?
Settle the
Someone
fuck down
call-
or you're gonna get tased. Get the fuck down or I'm gonna tase you. Get the fuck down. Get the fuck down.
What's your badge number? What's your badge number?
Get the fuck down.
What's
or
your
I'm gonna
badge number?
fucking tase you.
What's your
That's
badge
it.
number? What's your badge number? What's your badge number?
Lie down.
Officer,
You
what's
lie
your badge
down.
number?
Lie down.
Officer, what's your badge
Lie
number?
down or
Officer,
you're gonna
what's
get
your badge
tased.
number?
Lie
Officer,
down or
what's
you're
your
gonna get
badge number?
tased.
Officer, what's your badge number?
Lie
Officer,
down, you're
what's
gonna
your
get
badge
tased.
number? Oh! Officer, what's your badge
Get down.
number? Oh!
Get down.
Officer, what's your badge number?
Get down. I'm gonna tase you again.
Officer, what's your badge number?
Put your hands on
Officer, what's your
fucking
badge
back.
number? Officer, what's your badge number?
Put your hands behind
What's
your
your badge
fucking back.
number? What's your badge number? Officer, what's your
I'm gonna
badge
tase
number?
you again.
Officer, what's your badge number? Officer!
Put your hands behind your back.
Officer,
Pay for
what's
the
your
plug.
badge number? Officer, what's your badge
Get
number?
the fuck
Officer,
down.
what's your badge number? Officer, what's your badge number? Officer, what's your badge number?
Put your hands
Officer,
on
what's
your
your
fucking
badge
back.
number? Officer! Officer, what's your badge number? Officer, what's your badge number? Officer, what's your badge number?
Roll over on
Officer,
your
what's your
fucking
badge number?
stomach.
What's your badge number?
You're gonna
Officer, what's
tase
your
again.
badge number? What's your badge number? Officer, what's your badge number?
Roll over on your back.
Officer, what's your badge number? Officer, what's your
Roll
badge
over on
number?
your back.
What's your badge number?
I'm gonna tase you again. You're
Are you
gonna
a
roll
federal
over.
officer? Who are you? Are you a federal officer? Who are you? Aye.
Put your hands behind your back.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Get your 174. Speed him up.
Turn around.
Roll over, asshole.
Roll over.
Okay. I got his hands.
Speed him up.
Officer, what's your badge number? Officer,
Chill out, man. Chill out.
officer, what's your badge number? Officer, what's your badge number?
Get him off my back. I get my cuffs off my back.
Officer,
I got this one.
what's your badge number?
I got this one. Get him on. Get him on his chest. Get him on his chest. Get him on his chest. I got this one. Don't worry. Don't worry.
I'm gonna break your fucking neck, asshole.
Chill out, man. Chill out.
Number. Your badge number. Officer, what's your badge number?
You got it? All right. Yeah. You're gonna have to give me
What's
this
your badge
arm.
number?
You have to give me this arm, man. I got it from the back.
What's your badge number, officer?
I got this one right here. Fine.
Let go of me.
I got it. Ooh.
You okay? You good?
He's got a bunch of scrapes and stuff too. I'm not sure if that was from us or before, but no.
Just
I don't know how the hell he can get hit. I almost got hit trying to get to him.
I never knew.
What's going on today, sir? What happened? You take any drugs?
I need water.
Yeah, what's wrong? Bystanders, how you doing?
Nice to meet
No, let's get him on the stretch when the rescue gets up. He's not going to get involved.
I'm gonna be late to take you up.
All right, brother. Hey, thanks again.
No problem. No problem.
You bite me, I'm going to beat the fuck out of you.
Thank you again.
Yeah, I'd hug you, but I'm busy. You guys have someone that could ride in the rescue with him?
All right.
Yeah, you guys have someone to ride in the rescue with him? Because all of us are solo today. I'm not sure how the cuffs are going to work if I can get them on.
You'll be fine. Oh, my hey. Calm down, man.
We got about 6 dogs in the tip.
Okay, that's fine. Chill out.
You guys have shackles?
Yeah, we're gonna get the shackles.
Tell them there's shackles in my car. Hey, there's shackles in the front seat of that car.
Help me.
Do you send the police number yet? Do you guys have someone that could ride in the rescue with him?
Yeah, I'll have to look you right with.
Okay, so we're all solo. And then I'll just follow him to the hospital. I'll handle it. I just need someone to ride in the rescue.
No, we'll help you. I won't. Don't worry about it.
Chill out, okay? Chill out, man. Yeah.
Knock it up. Just get on the. I'll follow. Yes, I got the bus with you. Go right with me. Right there. You guys are good? Oh. Not yet. Not yet. One thing happens.
You good, Sarge?
Yeah, we're good, man.
Breathing, right? You okay, sir?
Call us a middle quick.
Hey, you're not breathing, man. You're not breathing.
Let me know when you're ready to switch.
He's coming back. He's coming back.
Barely right now.
Yeah, right now.
Barely right now. Yeah, right now. Barely right now.